New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, based on the daily chart, if we refer to this correction, what we are more interested in the down move, because we want to put this correction, this move in relative to this with this correction. That means this fully will be a correction relative to this, and we want to get this. Okay, that means we are more interested in this down move. But before that, we need to bear in mind that there is a possibility price from here also continue and go to this high without giving us this when we're looking at the bigger correction. Okay, but right now we are more interested in this sell. And if the reason I'm highlighting this one is if you want to look sell, for sell we need to get the proper trade setup. In this case we move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, just now we mentioned that since it's break the top, we are more interested in the down move. Okay, but the thing is, how long will this correction will be there? Maybe the price, there is a possibility the price continue go a bit higher. Okay, now the thing is, if the market open, whether from here we can get, or we should expect the price come and break this top or correct a bit more, then we get the down move. I mean, from where we get the down move, we are not sure. And right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay, that's mean we should wait for the trade setup. And in this case we move to for 1 hour chart. Okay, just now we highlight that we want to look for the down move. Okay, but when we come to this, as we see, we have this and this move. Can we look into this correction as a running flat? If yes, that means there is a possibility the price come and to break this top or a bit higher before we get the down move. Okay, in this case, how we can trade it? Do we need to look for the buy or at the first stage or not? Okay, in this case, we need to wait the market open. When the market open, if the price continue and go and break this top, is good for us. Then from the top, any down move, any sell setup, we are more interested. This is the best things. Okay, how about if the price from here drop? Also we can look for sell, but it should be a sharp move, a small flag, the correction with okay, then we can get the trade. But if we get a trade, as long as the price come to this level, we should manage it. This means if we see there is a continuation, we keep. If there is no continuation, we take out the trade. Alright, again, since we have this move, we need to wait the market open and see with what we will get here, because there is a possibility for this running flat, the price continue from here before we get the down move, or also there is a possibility the price drop some more. If we get the correction here, then we get the up move before we get this move down. Okay, we don't talk about the buy right now because we don't have any buy setup. Based on the higher time frame, we are more interested in the down move. The buy we will see when the market open, what type of the buy we will get. Okay, but right now we talk about the sell. And how are we going to trade it again? The best things is we want the price to break the top, then any down move we take it, and if even the price break the top, we'll get the down move. As long as the price come to somewhere around here or here, we need to see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. Yes, because there is a possibility price come here, we get the deeper correction for one move up before we get the down move. And the second option, how about if the price from here drop, we didn't come to this high, didn't break the top. Again, any sharp move, flag, we take. If we see there is a continuation, if we get within this range, we should consider about this low. That means if come to this low, we see how we can manage it. But if is lower than this, we consider here. Okay, but the thing is, I want to highlight within this selling, I don't think any sharp move, a small flag can give us a good trade. Alright, anyway, the best option is the price break the top, then we look for the down move. And what I highlight here, we need to wait the market open and we see how this correction can form, because there is a possibility also the price correct like this. Okay, But what we are more interested, again I highlight, we want to get a down move. The only question is whether we get from here or we should wait to break the top. In this case we need to wait. We wait when the market open, we see how this correction can form. Then when we get the confirmation, then we trade. And if I see any update, then I will share in the group. Thanks.